Thank you, Piotr. Now we will close this block of presentations with a presentation from the EPIC HUB project. As I mentioned before, this project is not an ICT-PSP project, it is FP7, and it will present another step in the application of ICT for energy efficiency, not at the building level, but at a higher level, the neighborhood, which encompasses buildings for different uses. So the presentation will be done by Alvaro Garcia from Techniker. Alvaro?
Hello, everybody. Wait. Can you hear me?
Yes, it's okay.
Okay. Okay. Good morning, everyone. I am Alvaro Garcia, and I work in Techniker, which is a research facility located in the north of Spain, in Eibar. And I will be making a short presentation about the EPIC HUB project. EPIC HUB is, as Alexander has mentioned, is a project, a collaboration project funded by the European Union 7th Framework Programme, and it's located in the energy efficient building sections. Here we can see some of the partners that are actually collaborating in this project. EPIC HUB,
Alvaro, can I just ask you to speak a little bit louder, possible?
Louder.
Closer to the microphone. Thank you.
Okay, I don't know. It's better like this?
Perfect.
Okay. So the Energy Hub's main objective is the energy optimization, and in order to do so, we are following something we call the Energy Hub approach. The Energy Hub approach tries to identify and develop a model with all the available energy carriers, couplings, and interactions within a facility and at a neighborhood level, in order to satisfy heating, cooling, and electricity demands, among other things. The development of this model will help the analysis and management of all the available carriers, will also be used to optimize different energy flows, trying to solve problems like peak shaving or demand side management. And one of the other important objectives is that it will try to simulate and, if possible, plan energy exchanges with available energy carriers from neighborhood buildings or facilities. So how does this work? Okay, I'll start at a building level where different sensors and assets will gather different kind of data. In some cases, the data is previously gathered by energy management systems. EPIC HUB is oriented to be able to gather different types of sources of data, so it's quite adaptable. Then we will have the middleware service layers. The service layers, apart from gathering data from the previous layer, it will include additional services like weather forecasting services or electric tariff utility services. It is also intended to be able to be as the new services can be developed and deployed here. We are also going to develop the Energy Hub model that we have previously mentioned. And the idea is to have it like a reusable model configurable with different use cases. So there is no need to make new models, but to just configure the previous one. And finally, we'll have at a top level, we'll have different applications that will use the data from the middleware, started from the middleware and the Energy Hub model to run different tasks, such as optimization, access management and control, and planning operations. Techniker's contribution in all this is mainly at the interoperability level. We are developing a gateway framework that will act as a mediator between the different sensors and actuators and the middleware services. It is intended to be an exposable framework in which new protocols can be added as they are needed on the go. And another of the points what we are looking for is to be able to be deployed in different platforms. One of the things that we are currently working on is to have it running in some cheap, affordable solution like Raspberry Pi. We also are we are involved in developing the different data services, as well as the assets management, monitorization, and control services. Finally, we are also supporting the deployment of the EPIC HUB solution in one of the pilot test sites, which I will talk now. There are three pilot sites for the EPIC HUB project. One is located in the Terminal San Giorgio port in Genoa, Italy, the Nikola Tesla Airport in Belgrade, and finally the Bilbao Exhibition Center in Spain. Each pilot, different use cases will be tested. For example, the one pilot in which Techniker is more involved, the BEC, the Bilbao Exhibition Center, will have like three main problems to solve. The first one will be is to forecast the energy demands based on different characteristics like weather conditions, events taking place in the convention center, the electricity tariffs that they are actually in demand. The second problem to solve is to forecast the energy production of photovoltaic panels we have installed in the BEC's roof. And finally, the third and probably most complex one is the one to try to optimize the heating, cooling, and electricity usage according to different use profiles. And this is where one interesting ability that will include possibly energy exchanges with facilities near the BEC, such as hospital and a sports center. No, it's been a short presentation, but that's pretty much it. Thank you for listening. I'm Alvaro Garcia from Techniker, and if you have any questions, you can ask them or you can email them to me and I will try to answer them. Thank you very much.